Okay, here's a strip of the MR2. I put some tape in it already. Just about to put this back onto the MR2. Okay, so here's a little bit left as I run out my tape when I get to almost the end. Okay, so just get the tape away. Apparently they say this is very strong. What I do is that I try to take this off when I'm inside, so when I get to the car it's easier to peel off, and also I can actually do another double tape just before the end. So today I'm going to do some repair. The weather is pretty good today, so nice and calm, it's not too hot. So as I say on my last video, the strip come off on this side. I'm not sure I'm going to peel this off and redo it because this side is already coming off. But anyway, what I'm going to do is repair this one first, as I got my strip here. Nothing to do with it, but I'm going to sit here and slide along so it's easier. Okay, so let me set the video, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I got the strip, which that all come in prepared as I peel it. So since I peel off, I should easily slide them off. So the top one, the silver's on top. Oh mind you, last time when I done it on the other side, I put halfway along and I noticed the silver's on the bottom. So unprofessional. But it's okay, as I'm not a professional. I just do this for fun. So measure along. This bit is so good. I just peel that along. Peel that along. Oops. Bad. Peel it too fast. Okay, now I learned something new. Do not peel it too fast. Slowly. Okay, that finished. So finish the strip on both sides, and we look at the inside on the next video of the car. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.